So it's like, they have a very rigorous onboarding process. It's just not like you get onboarded and you're left over like that. So the strongest, I would say, modes of IPL is that the process is continuous. Okay, once you're onboarded, you always get assigned with a program manager who takes care of your in and out of activities, what you're learning, how is the learning going, and also you have a very good cohort that IPL gives you during this entire learning journey. I'm Sriharika Nallagorla and I'm from Visakhapatnam. So I've completed my mechanical engineering back in 2016, and right from then I've in the industries across mining and semiconductors and also in railways right now. Started my journey as a mechanical engineer. So right then I've also been in assembly lines, like proper core mechanical engineering to design, talking with clients and all. And then eventually after 5.5 to 6 years of my career, I figured out that okay, I want to get into management. I met a lot of people from product, I met people from finance, marketing, and then that also paved a way for me to think about my future, like okay, where I want to step into. And product management is something which I always thought of. The first thing is learning by doing, which is the topmost priorities for IPL. They just don't say that you will learn by doing, but you will experience it throughout your learning journey. And second thing is the faculty who are industry experts, and they just don't leave you with the concept. You are given the assignments. You have to experience your learning through thinking while you're doing the assignments. The capstone is an amazing step which I think I've made use of it to the fullest extent. That I would say that with capstone I could actually figure out what is the problem that I am experiencing in my life, and I could get that solution towards the end of the study curriculum. And last thing is the one-to-one mentorship, which I've utilized. And mentors are really good in terms of you just have to have what you want out of the situation, and you go to the mentor with the right problem, and they don't give you an answer. I would say they'll give you a guidance. That is very important. Thing is that through this curriculum, right, you will have a lot of breakout sessions. And I think breakout sessions will be hardly some 10-15 minutes of you people in the cohort talking to each other, finding out the solution for why the breakout session is made. In that, cracking jokes on each other, and even though the cohort is having experience of 3+ years to 20+ years, right? So that momentum that breaks, okay, you're an experienced person, you don't know anything, that doesn't happen in IPL. So that was the most interesting part of, or the fun part. Don't think about the end result. And if you want to explore something, just get into it and derive the maximum out of it. That's what is one of the things that I would encourage everyone to do. And if you ask me why IPL, I think you will have to figure out your journey. You lay a map, like okay, this is what you want to do now and in the next 5 years. Then IPL will be a part of your journey, which will definitely give you some edge of it. Like it might not be like, oh, you're not getting anything out of it. No, you will at least learn a structured program where you will have the key insights of what to do, and you will have the mentorship guidance towards the end of it, where you can also say that okay, I have learned something, how should I get into practice. So IPL will have the entire journey covered.